So in this video, we are going to be solving several questions on binary, conversions of binary and binary equations. And here you're going to be learning a whole lot on binary. So if this is your first time of hitting this channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. So the first question says, if 2p3 base 4 is equal to 39 base 10, find the value of p. Now, since this is already on base 10, the best thing to do here is to convert 39 to base 4. So what you're going to do is 39 converting to base 4. Okay, so you're going to do 4 into 39. We know that 4 into 39 is going to be 9. That's remainder 3. Because you know 4 into 39 is 36. So the difference is actually 3. So now we know that. So we're going to do 4 into 9. We're going to get 2, remainder 1, because it's 8. Okay, so now, since it cannot go, 4 cannot go here, we're going to write 0, remainder 2. So now we're going to check that value up. So the answer is going to be 213 base 4. Now, compare this 213 base 4 to 2p3 base 4. You can see from here that our p is equal to 1. And so 1 is our final answer. Okay, so the next question says evaluate dates. So when you're given something like this, 1011 squared base 2 minus 1012 base 2. Now, note that this is almost the same thing as what we call difference of 2 squared. Something we call a squared minus b squared. So now you know that one of the things you need to do is put it into difference of 2 squared. So this is going to be, if you have a squared minus b squared, it's going to give you a plus b and a minus b. So this is going to be 1011 plus 101 multiplied by 1011 minus 101. Okay, so now you know this. So we are going to perform this. So this is going to be 1011 plus 101. It's going to give us now 1 plus 1. This will be 0, carry 1. Remember, we're performing binary. 1 plus 1 be 0, we carry 1. 1 plus 1 is going to be 0, we'll carry 1. 1 plus 1 is going to be 0, and we'll carry 1, and we'll bring this down. So this is going to be 1 0 0 0 0. Then multiplied by, now here doing this subtraction, this is going to be 1 0 1 1. We're subtracting 1 0 1. Now 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 0 is going to be 1. Now 0 minus 1, you can go, you borrow this one, here becomes 0, put it here. Here becomes 2. So 2 minus 1 is going to give us 1. So this is going to be times 1 1 0. Now you can see this is multiplication. So all I'll just do is 1 times 11. So that's 11. So I'll put my zeros. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. And this is base 2. So from here you can see that C is the correct answer. And I'm going to tick my C. So if you understand this set of questions, binary becomes an easy question for you to solve. Okay, so we have this question. Sorry, this is supposed to be 33. Sorry, this is 33. So we have 201k is equal to 33 base 10. Now we are asked to find the value of k. Now all you need to do is convert the 201 to base 10. So this is going to be 0, this is going to be 1, and this is going to be 2. So this is going to be 2 times k raised to the power of 2 plus this one is going to be 0 times k raised to the power of 1 plus this is going to be 1 times k raised to the power of 0 is equal to 33. This is already base 10, so we don't have to do that there. So this is going to be 2k squared plus this is 0 plus 1 times anything raised to the power of 0 is going to be 1, which is 33. So this is going to be 2k squared will be, now plus 1 going over is going to be 33 minus 1. So 2k squared, it's going to be what? 32. So from here, k squared is going to be 32 divided by 2, which is going to give us 16. Now k, it's going to be square root of 16. Now this is going to give us positive and negative 4. So we're going to have k to be now, since we have two numbers here, that's +4 or -4, but here you know that our binary number can never be negative. So our final answer here is supposed to be what? +4. So that's positive 4, and that's D. It's now our correct answer. Okay, so this question says convert 232 base 4 to a number in base 6. Now, when converting from one number to another number that's not base 10, now you have to follow probably base 4 to base 10 and then to base 6. Now, in order to convert 2232 base 4 to 10, you choose, these are going to be, this is going to be how you do it: 0, 1, 2, and this is going to be 3. So you perform 2 times 4, 2 times the base raised to the power 3 plus 2 times 4 raised to the power 2 plus 3 times 4 raised to the power 1 plus, then you have 0 times 4, that's 2 times 4 raised to the power 0. Okay, so having done that, this is going to be 2 times 4 raised to the power 3, 64, plus 2 times 4 raised to the power 2 is going to be 16, plus 3 times 4 plus 2 times 1. Now this is going to be 128 plus 32 plus 12 and plus 2. Now summing this up, 128 plus 32 is going to give us 160 plus 12. That's going to give us 172 plus 2. Now this is going to give us a total of 174. So now this is 174 in base 10. So we need to convert 174 to base 6. Now 6 into 17, it's going to give us 2. Remember, we'll have 5. 6 into 54 is going to give us, that would be 9. So we'll have remainder 0. So we'll have 6 into 29. We're going to get 4 remainder 5, and 6 into 4, we have 0 remainder 4. So counting from here, we're going to have 4, 5, 0 base 6. So if you look at here, you can see our correct answer is C, and I'm going to tick my C. So like I said, if you've not hit the subscribe button, please do not forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get more updates from us. Now this question is very, very dicey. So it says you should convert 13.625 to a binary number. Now this is a very, very technical question. So while trying to solve this question, you really need to understand how to approach questions like this. Now the first thing you need to do is now we have two parts in this question. We have the 13 part and we have the 625. So this is in base 10. We are converting to base 2. So the first thing we need to do is follow up on the 13 and we convert that to base 2. So this is 2 into 13. We're going to have 6 remainder 1. That's 2 into 6, we're going to have 3 remainder 0. 2 into 3, we're going to have 1 remainder 1, and 2 here with 0 remainder 1. So this is going to be 13. 13 is going to be 1101 base 2. Now, in order to convert 0.625 base 10 to 2, what you need to do is we will multiply, we'll keep multiplying this by 2 until we get this part of the equation to be 0. So we're going to do 0.625 multiplied by 2. Okay, so in this case, we're going to apply our calculator. So this is going to be 0.625 multiplied by 2. Now this is going to give us 1.25. So this will be 1.25. But in this case, we are going to take the 1, we'll take this 1, and we'll bring back the 0.25 and multiply it again by 2 until we get here 0. So we'll keep the 1 here. Now we've gotten 1. So this is going to be 0.25 multiplied by 2 is going to give us 0.50. So now we're going to take the 0. This is going to be 0. We'll bring back 0.5, multiply it again by 2. So when you do 0.5 multiplied by 2, you're going to get what? 1.0. So we're going to take the 1. Okay? So at this point, having gotten this, we're going to take, now we read this from the top to the bottom, unlike when we convert from base 10 to other numbers. So that means 0.625, it's going to be base 10, it's going to give us 0.101 base 2. So our final answer, 13.625 base 10, is going to give us 1101.101 base 2. Now, as easy as that, you can now solve your binary questions. You can tackle them. All you need to do is look at the questions critically, understand what you're being asked to do, and solve it. Now, like I said, if you've not hit the subscribe button, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you can get updates from us. Stay tuned.